So today we are doing Audi oil maintenance reset, common functions, and then go to oil maintenance reset, recommended. I'm using Launch PAD VII for this operation, so we'll choose different parameters as I already selected, and this is a correct model for Audi, and then I will go further. So I want to do inspection with oil change and at 10,000 kilometers. I will go there, and then oil change is set to 10,365 days. I will choose option 1. It's processing. I'm using Launch PAD 7 and it's done. So it should, yes, reset. It's reset successfully, as we can see. Complete. Test running, oil quality, oil distance, everything has been done after the oil change, and then doing the service reset from launch using Launch PAD 7 is done. I will go back. I already took a printout for the fault codes, and if we want to see the list of fault codes, we can see the red color which is showing fault in this control module, and this is the common control module topology in Audi. So this is our printed version of diagnostic report. Here we go. So all the fault codes and without fault codes report is here, which I already printed out. Thank you.